Persons with disabilities in Zamboanga City went home with a smile along with senior citizens. For the first time, the city government granted cash benefits to PWDs. It was given pursuant to the city's ordinance. Indigent senior citizens, on the other hand, received their 500 peso monthly stipend to augment their daily subsistence and other medical needs.
Salamat po ako sa ibinigay ng tulong sa aming mga senior ng ating mahal na presidente kasi kahit marami siyang mga problema, at least naalaala pa niya rin kami mga senior citizen.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.